Here's how they were trying to hold you and me down today. Number one, the John Galt Homeowner Affordability and Stability Plan, yeah, that's what I call it, includes taking $75 billion from renters waiting for real estate prices to come down to keep people who risk their own money on real estate at the wrong time in their homes anyway. Here's a viewer's response, quote, "My husband and I have been married for 28 years and we're never once late on our mortgage payment. We've worked hard, lived below our means, and have no debt, and we've saved like crazy, and now we're going to be paying for irresponsible losers who shouldn't have owned a home in the first place." With ya. Number two, the stimulus bill also says that, and I mean, by the way, it's the simulus, not stimulus, because it just simulates the economy, doesn't stimulate it. And I quote, "Millions of responsible homeowners who put millions down and made their mortgage payments on time have," and I quote, "through no fault of their own, seen the value of their homes drop." Viewer's response, Cody, "We are in fact suckers for paying our mortgages. However, if we don't, we sell our souls to Uncle Sam." Someone told these people that their house was an asset. Unless your house is a farm, it is not an asset. It is a shelter, period. That's a viewer's response, guys. They pretend, and here's the final point, the pretend to keep home prices unaffordable says it will, and once again I quote, "require strong oversight reporting and quarterly meetings with the FDIC, Fed, and HUD, not to mention more welfare for the people rich enough but stupid enough to have owned or lent money to Fannie Mae and Freddie." Viewer says, "I don't think a free market without oversight is a recipe for disaster. Rather, unpunished fraud within a free market is the making of a disaster." Why aren't borrowers and lenders being prosecuted to fraud related to their mortgage applications, for fraud related to the mortgage applications? Rebecca.